Local news for Monday the 7th of May. Masterton Police are appealing for witnesses following the aggravated burglary of the Ram Superstore on Roberts Road last Friday morning. Two men entered the shop armed with a metal bar and a knife just after 9 a.m, selling cigarettes and tobacco products. The offenders left the scene in a stolen 1989 car with a broken quarter light. Masterton has a new chief executive. Kath Ross will take up the job from August. And the serious crash unit are still investigating after a man was killed in a road crash last week on the Masterton Castle Point Road. The victim was 47-year-old Craig Scott O'Connor. MP for Wairarapa, Alistair Scott, is deeply concerned at last week's confirmation that cattle on a Wairarapa farm have tested positive for the disease Mycoplasma bovis. Mr Scott says until the Ministry for Primary Industries can provide more detail and confirm that the cases have been contained, I urge landlords to act with vigilance. And in sport, the Farriers at Wairarapa Bush have gone down 32-6 in their opening clash with Horowhenua Kapiti. Down 10-6 at half-time, the Horowhenua Kapiti side scored 22 unanswered second-half points, with Mumu Falinko kicking the only points of the game, 2 penalties in the first half.